I'm Herb Coussons, OBGYN. I grew up around medicine. I worked in a hospital, the very first job that I had, cutting the grass at a hospital. And then from there was an orderly and a nurse's aide and worked as a surgery tech for a while. So it was just kind of what I wanted to do from the beginning. I picked this specialty because I think it's the broadest of all medicine. We get to do things that aren't really even taking care of sick people, like deliver babies and do OB, and just be part of those unique moments in people's lives. And then we also get to do some really technical surgery, and we work in the clinic a lot as primary care doctors for women. For me, it's really the broadest of all specialties. Usually with the first appointment, we spend a little extra time talking to the patient. I like to visit with patients before I do an exam, in the office, fully clothed so they're not, uncomfortable. What I really like to do is teach. I draw pictures, I get books out, I try so that when I'm done, that the patient completely understands it. Maybe better than another doctor. That's what my goal at the end of the visit. I think if anyone knows me, they would describe me as low-key. That's from my wife to my kids to my patients to the nurses at the hospital. I don't get too riled up about anything. That's a great quality when it comes to, in the operating room or in the delivery room if things aren't going right. But it's sometimes like a detractor. People sometimes don't think that I'm excited about, what's happening, the new baby or whatever, but I am. I think it's a really unique time, but I'm just pretty mellow, pretty low key. I have 5 kids, and I have a really great wife that can let me spend the night out in the hospital and take care of people and jump and run and go when I need to. In my spare time, I also value my spiritual life, so we are involved in the local synagogue and spend time there. My wife teaches there, and I serve on different committees. And the only real great hobby that I have is I fly airplanes. I have been involved with aviation since before I was married, and I fly all kinds of crazy things, aerobatics and warbirds and antiques, and I feel really fortunate to live close to Oshkosh because of that. I think that every life is important. In any way that we can prolong, save, make their time here better, alleviate suffering, those are the kind of things that really motivate me to make life better for every individual I come across.